Hello, beautiful audience. We are so glad to have you back on this channel once again. And yes, on today's video, we are going to have a spectacular view of Ekwulobia city. Guys, the city of Ekwulobia is shining and glowing. I must tell you this, guys. Everywhere is actually shining and glowing. And also the flyover, talking about the Ekwulobia flyover, has actually come to completion. This is quite a very good news, and also I must tell you the way it is. The state government has not yet commissioned this flyover, but with what is going on, it will be commissioned within a very short time, because work has actually come to its ending phase on this flyover. And putting it together, all the surrounding roads around this flyover have also come to completion to an extent, and that is a very good one, guys. The whole of this area is shining. There are lots of projects that are still going on even as we speak right now. But when we talk of the flyover and the surrounding road networks, they have all been done with. Isn't that a good one? Isn't that beautiful? So on this video, guys, we are going to show you an extensive view of these locations, all these areas, including the ultra-modern bus terminal that's under construction, the Light of the Nation tower that's also under construction, and lots more. So let's go around and see what is going on in Ekwulobia flyover. So as you can see, it has been asphalted already. All through, we are going to go from this point to the other point. That's the other axis of this flyover, and also see what it looks like. Guys, the Ekwulobia flyover is finally ready. I'm so happy right now. You know, no more too much talks about this flyover as it is right now. So if you look around this axis, okay, if you look around over there, you would see the ultra-modern bus terminal that's under construction, and you would also notice that work is still going on at that facility. Yes, we wouldn't be going inside for today, but from here we would look at it entirely and see what is going on at that facility. So you can see that work is really going on progressively. From even the last time we got the update of that facility, there has been serious progress. So far so good. Yes, I can tell you the way it is, and also you can see it for yourself. There is immense progress at this facility. This is a very good one, guys. This is a very good one, and I'm sure within a very short time that project will also come to completion. So guys, all the roads around this facility have been asphalted and is now motorable. The populace are using it with joy, guys. So look around this area also, you would see the construction of the Light of the Nation tower, just like the one we have in Oka, that's close to the government house. They are also erecting a similar structure around this area. Yes, this will be a very beautiful landmark when completed. Seriously, this administration, talking about the Soludo's administration, is transforming the whole state completely, leaving very crucial landmarks in these cities, just like we have in Oka, and now we're also having it in Ekwulobia. Hopefully, such might even extend to other cities in Anambra state. But the thing is that Anambra is truly rising, and that is the joy of all of this. Anambra is truly rising, and it's a very good thing. So we are right on top the completed Ekwulobia flyover. I would say this flyover is 98% completed, if not 99% completed, guys, because the only thing that's remaining is just a little fill up on the paves at the end of it. Just like when we are coming in, you saw where the rods are still visible, and those are little things that are remaining on both directions, as on both ends. So you can also see that there are walkways right on top this flyover for those who will be using foot, to cross the flyover if need may be. So you can see the walkway, and you can see that this flyover has been asphalted already. And also they will be doing markings. Yes, I believe maybe when they are done with those the paves or the caves at those both ends, they will do the markings. Yeah, it really needs to be marked so as to know your own space. So looking at this particular road here, this is the road that leads to Oko town in Ekwulobia, and you can see that both lanes have been asphalted and also already in use. You can see how beautiful Ekwulobia is looking already. Wow, this is so nice, guys. This is so nice. I really like the view of the city, and just that some little work also is just what's remaining around there, and those will be attended to at the right time. Also, looking at this particular side, you would also see the road that leads to Isofia town, Iwuku, and so on. This is the road. You can see that both lanes have also been asphalted, and the whole area is now looking beautiful. Just except for the cleaning of the sands, I believe that will come on later, because there will be some minor jobs that will be done around those areas to beautify these places. So those also will be attended to at the appropriate time. But the major things, the major needed works have been done, and I'm so happy and so pleased with what has been done so far. You can see how Ekwulobia is looking now. This is the Ekwulobia that used to be dirty, that used to be, unorganized. But right now, Ekwulobia is quite organized and clean and sweet and fine. So guys, let's know what you think about this project that the state government actually did in Ekwulobia. Let's know your thoughts, your ideas, your recommendation, whatever it is you have in mind. Please do well to share with us on the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. We can't wait to hear anything it is. And if you also know things that we don't know about this particular project, please do share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And also, if you are joining us for the first time, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to comment, share, like, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Someone asked me about this particular space here the last time we did the update of this video, and from what it is right now, you can see that it is now a private park. Yes, it's not a government space. That space belongs to an individual, so it's a private park that the person wants to use it for, from the information gathered. So you can see the Ekwulobia urban mass transit vehicles are already using that space as it is right now. Yes, you can see the space, and you can see the vehicles that are there. Those vehicles belongs to the Ekwulobia urban mass transit. They are already using that space. So this is the other end of the flyover, and you can see the little work that are remaining on this flyover. Just like I told you before now, it's just the scapes that are remaining. By the time they are done with them, the flyover will just be completed, will be completed already. In fact, it is completed already, because these ones are just minor stuffs that will be done here. And I'll also take you down. Yes, we'll go down. We'll go down and then we'll go right around, so that you would see these things clearly and see what they are doing for a fact. Okay, so if you look at this particular side, they are doing the walkways. Yes, they are still at the walkways on this side, and also they will still fill up the caves by the side of it. Hope you are seeing what I'm saying. So this is just the little stuffs that are remaining on the flyover. So they'll also come and do it in this other side, just like they're doing in this side. They are going to come to this other side and do it. So it's going to be done on both sides of the flyover. It wouldn't be subjected to just one side. It wouldn't be one-sided. Okay, so if you look straight down over here, this is the road that leads to Oka, straight down, and you can see that it's also been asphalted to an extent. There is a point where the asphalt ended. Yes. So probably on our next video, we'll also show you those access that leads to Oka. You can see that the road also to Oka has been asphalted. And also same thing goes to the one that leads to Oga. Asphalt is currently going on the one that leads to Uga. If you watch the last video we did, you will also see it. Yes, the video we did before this one will show you that that Uga road. Yes, asphalt is also going on that axis of the road. So we are outside the flyover, or should I say we are besides the flyover, and this is what is going on from the outside. This is what you will see from the outside of it, or from besides the flyover. So guys, I'm going to take you straight to beneath this flyover so that you also see the surrounding completely the way it is. You will see the ground level. You will now look at the whole place from the ground level view and see how beautiful Ekwulobia is looking. Seriously, this is a very, very good project and a very, very lovely one. I really appreciate the Anambra state government for what it is doing, or for what it has done so far. This is so nice, and this is so interesting. We are live at Ekwulobia, and this is the surrounding at the flyover construction. Yes, this is the surrounding, and you can see also the house that was brought down. This is probably by the owner of this facility. So work is going on progressively. Our work has gone on progressively up to this point, and it is so beautiful already. It is beautiful, so beautiful already. We are glad, and we are saying thank you to the Anambra state government for this wonderful progress that has been recorded on this construction site. So guys, please share your thoughts, share your ideas, share your commendation, whatever it is you really want to share with us about this project. Please do well to drop that on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. Yes, if you remember this area, this is where those heavy rods that was used for this flyover construction were packed, and all of these are already out. That's a very good one. So this is beneath the flyover. Also, you can see what beneath the flyover is looking like. So the whole area is set. The whole area is set. The whole area is set. This is very good. This is very good, guys. This whole area is truly set. Yes, you can see it for yourself. Everywhere is busy. Everywhere is busy. Everywhere is busy. So please don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Drop your ideas, your commendation, whatever it is you want to share with us. Please do that on the comment section. And also, if you know things that we don't know about this project, also do well to share with us on the comment section. And if you have watched up to this point, I would also love to say thank you so very much and remain blessed. Bye for now.